Hey everybody, this is Flora again from Aviara Apartments, and today I have a one bedroom, one bath home. It's called Continental floor plan on our website that I want to show you today. So let's take a look. Alright, I'm so excited to share with you guys this video of this Continental floor plan. I've always wanted to have this home in a video. So this is very similar to the Delta floor plan. It's called Continental. So it's the same layout as the Delta floor plan. However, this one is 738 square foot and the Delta is 751 square foot. So again, with this gorgeous kitchen and the breakfast bar here, looking out into the living room with a dual sink, stainless steel appliances. What's unique about this particular floor plan, the storage is a little bit different. So when you walk in, that's the door over there. When you walk in over here, you have this nice coat closet right behind the door. So it's nice large closet. It's bigger than our normal coat closets. And then you have the bathroom over here. And again, has nice size counter space, a bit of storage in the bottom here. And as always, our showers. And then you have your stackable washer and dryer. But what's unique about this, you have an extra storage here. So it looks like it doesn't have a whole lot of storage, but because of this extra space here, so it accommodates pretty well with the storage space. So you have a little pantry here in the hallway kitchen area. So that's really wonderful. And then hardwood style flooring, you have this nice open space, again with a nice breakfast bar. You have room for a dining table or a desk over here, or you can put a desk out there, which is really nice for working from home nowadays. And then you have a view of east. So this is all Joya, and you have the street view. Feels like you're part of the city. It's really nice. And you have a nice balcony here. And look at that beautiful view and beautiful day. And that's the 76th Street here at Mercer Island. All right, so in the living room, really nice, pretty traditional one bedroom, one bath with the bedroom. Again, this is no different than the Delta floor plan that we've been sharing with you all. And you have a sliding closet with built-in storage, built-in shelves. So you have still a ton of storage up here. So you have hanging and shelves. And then kitchen. Again, thank you so much for joining me on this Continental floor plan and viewing this beautiful home, which is one of a kind. And this is the only floor plan that is in this format here at Aviara. So you'll be leasing a one of a kind home. So hopefully this will be your home, and give us a call or send us an email. Our contact information is down below or down at the bottom of this video. Do subscribe or like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you do want to see more videos to come or more floor plans to come, if you're looking ahead, do subscribe so that you can see more videos as they're coming. We do have lots of floor plans, so we're gonna try to capture all of them. Till next time, have a great day.